This is a great day, and it's so exciting to be here. The partnership between ArDOT and AAPA is more important now than ever before. AAPA's support of Issue 1 was crucial for its passing just a few weeks ago, and we are so excited. You know, the passage of Issue 1 is a victory for all Arkansans. It will mean safer roads, it will be better mobility for road users, and it will create jobs. The voters have put their trust in all of us, ArDOT and the highway contracting industry, and we're not going to let them down. This partnership is so important because ArDOT cannot do what it needs to do without the contracting industry. So we embrace the spirit of collaboration, and we look forward to a bright future as we work together. Thank you.
Director, thank you very much for those words. In my opinion, this partnership agreement is the most important thing that we do within AAPA. It gets down to the fundamentals and the organization of what we do as AAPA. The collaboration between the contractors and also the Department of Transportation is key for us to build the highest quality roads we can for the citizens of Arkansas. This is something that needs to be pushed all the way from the top to the bottom to make everyone ensure that we are giving the citizens of Arkansas the highest quality of roads that we possibly can.
The beauty of editing. Go all perfect.
I'll stick my tongue out, you can tell.